Hello students, standard 7th. Subject is English. We have started our revision of unit test 2 examination, and in video 1 we have discussed question number 3rd B, question number 4th A, B and question 5A and B. Okay, we have completed in our one video. So now today we will do the revision of English question number 1 to question number 3rd A. So question number 1 is our MCQ is there. What is MCQ? So in the MCQ, first question is there. Select the most appropriate option and answer the following questions. 4 ઓપ્શન આપેલા હશે, એમાંથી તમારે એક સિલેક્ટ કરીને એનું આન્સર લખવાનું રહેશે. So first number is there. The first question, 10 marks MCQ will be there. First question is there. Blank is the basic component of each cell, or blank is the basic component for each cell and essential for our existence. So there are 4 options. So the answer is what? I have already given answer, that is water. Water is the basic component of each cell and essential for our existence. Second question we have, one of the following is not the function of water in our body. Which are? The options are given: carry oxygen to our cells, maintain body temperature at 36.8 degrees Celsius, or remove waste material from our body. The last option is increase immunity in our body. So પાણી તો આપણને ઓક્સિજન પણ કેરી કરે છે, બોડી પર ટેમ્પરેચર મેન્ટેન કરે છે, વેસ્ટ મટીરિયલ પણ નીકાળે છે. તો આન્સર શું ના આવે? ઓબ્વિયસલી ધ આન્સર ઇઝ ઇમ્યુનિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરે એ પાણીથી ના થાય. So this is the answer D, increase immunity in our body. Next question we have, that is, a person can survive without water for how many days? A person can survive without water for less than a week. More than 30 days food વગર જીવી શકીએ, પણ પાણી વગર less than a week જ જીવી શકીએ. Next question, 4th number we have, to encircle the globe of the earth 180 times the length of blank kilometer is required. How much? So the answer is 7.1 million. 7.1 million. Next question is there. Half of the world creatures live where? Half of the world's creatures live under water. Half of the world's creatures live where? Half of the world's creatures live under water. Next question we have, almost all industrial units use water either. The answer is both A and B, in the production and in the disposal of byproducts. The answer is both A and B. 7 number question says that chocolates are made from what? Chocolates are made from cocoa. Chocolates are made from cocoa, which grows on cocoa tree. ચોકલેટ્સ આર મેડ શામાંથી બને છે? તો કેકોઆમાંથી. કેકોઆ ક્યાં ઉગે છે? તો કોકોઆ ટ્રી પર. યાદ રાખજો, કેકોઆ આન્સર ઇઝ. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન is that cocoa trees are grown in the forest of blank. The answer is South America. Next question is that cocoa trees are at the risk of being what? Cocoa trees are at the risk of being, answer is what? Extinct. Cocoa trees are at the risk of being extinct. मतलब બહુ ઓછા થવા માંડ્યા છે. Being extinct, બહુ ઓછો અસ્તિત્વ એમનો રહી ગયો છે. So next question, 10 number we have, many of the plants and animals are under several threat of extinction. It means what? It means we are losing biodiversity. It means what? We are losing biodiversity. Now what is biodiversity? Biodiversity means what? Variety of life around us. Variety of life around us. Next question. Besides the interdepending on one another, plants and animals, what they make? They make up their ecosystem. They make up what? Make up नहीं करता. Make up their ecosystem. Ecosystem बनावे छे. 12 number question. 13 number. Instruction in the side mirrors. Objects in mirrors are what? Bigger than they appear. Bigger than they appear. 14 number. Next. Blank make things look bigger than they are. What? A magnifying glass, the zoom lens on camera, or microscope. What? The microscope, lens in microscope. The answer is all of the above. मतलब બધા જ એનું વર્ક કરે છે. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. ધ મિરર ઇન અ કાર લુક્સ. મિરર ગાડીમાં જે હોય છે લુક્સ વોટ? ઇટ લુક્સ બેકવર્ડ્સ. ઇટ લુક્સ backwards. Next question we have. We can see things only when there is. આપણે બધું જોઈ શકીએ છીએ ક્યારે? When there is light. When there is light. Next question. Blank have their own light. What they have own light? Fireflies, butterflies, electricity bulb or electric bulb. So both electric bulb and fireflies have their own light. Taekwondo is a blank art. Taekwondo is a Korean art. In Taekwondo, one of the following tricks is used. So the trick is kicking with legs. I have already shown the video of Taekwondo, right? So now Taekwondo is called what? Taekwondo is called an unarmed combat. An unarmed combat. Next question. Karate is a blank form of martial art. So karate is a hard form of martial art. According to the writer, karate is its origin is close to where? Karate is its origin is close to judo. Karate and judo બેવ ક્યાં origin થયા હતા? Yes, Japan માં, right? So next question. According to the writer, scuba diving is similar to durian fruit. Which are already discussed about durian fruit, right? For 24, next. Initially, the writer could not dare to go for the scuba dive for what he has? He has the fear of sea snakes. He has the fear of sea snakes. Okay? Next question. People say that under the sea is like. People say that under the sea is like. What? People say that under the sea is like both A and B. A totally different and a beautiful world. Next question. Before the writer went to an island, the writer took what? The writer took private lesson from his diving instructor. Next question. The writer kept a positive thought that the diving would be his wonderful experience. Next, the writer felt that what? The writer felt both A and B, his heartbeats going fast and his ears hurt. Okay? Next question we have, the entire world underwater was green. The entire world underwater was green. The next, Sachin has maintained what? Sachin has maintained A and B option as dignified outlook and a mature outlook. Okay. Next question we have, Sachin rejects large sums from satellite TV for live coverage. Why? Because of his dignified and mature outlook. And yes, because was the answer? To keep it a family affair. He don't want to involve satellite TV coverage to in his family life. Okay. Next question. Now we have the say whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. Now we have true or false. First question is that swimming and sailing, fishing are the activities for recreation. Is it true or false? So it is true. By building dams, thermal power plant can be produced. Building dam thi bane? Na. So it is false. Hydroelectricity can be produced along river banks. It is false. Hydroelectricity along river bank na hoy. Over a river bank hoy. બરાબર. Next, the photons of light hit things and bounce back. So it is true. Fifth number, all of the light photons bounce back from a soft, rough surface. Is it true? No. It is false. Rough surface પરથી બધા photons bounce back થાય નહીં. So it is false. A 7 number, when the bouncing photons enter our eyes, we can see the shape of the things they bounced from. We can see the shape of the things they bounced from. So what the answer will come? Yes, it is true. In judo, the opponent is thrown on the ground. So it is also true. Judo માં નીચે બધાને ground પર પછાડી દે. So it is true. In judo, the opponent is immobilized. Opponent ને immobilize કરી દે છે, જકડી લે છે. So it is true. The writer's first dive was 18 meters deep. It is false because the writer's first dive is 12 meters deep. Okay. Next question. Sachin's wife is professor. It is true? No. Sachin's wife is doctor. So it is false. Sachin follows work ethics. Is it true? Yes. Sachin follows work ethics. Sachin kept his marriage his family affair. Yes, obviously it is true. Sachin's path to greatness had great ups and downs. It is false. Okay, so these are the true, false and MCQ. Now we will discuss the question number 3. Answer the following question in a 1 mark, means it is about the 1 mark question. Any 5 you have to write and 1 mark question it is there. So here I have written some questions, so we will revise some questions. First question is that why is water essential for our existence? So you know about this, right? Why is water essential for our existence? So the answer is water is essential for our existence because it is the basic component of each cell. Water is the basic component of each cell. Next question. List the 2 functions of water in our body. Water for humans આપણે જોયું છે એમાં ઘણા બધા ફંક્શન્સ હતા જે બોડી માટે યુઝ થાય છે water in our body. So we can write any 2 functions in this question, that the functions of water in our body as following. First is water maintains the temperature of your body or of our body at 36.8 degrees Celsius. And another point is water helps carry oxygen and nutrients to our cell. Okay, so this is the main any 2 functions of water in our body. Now we have another question, third number, that is why do you use water in our why do we use water in our day-to-day life? Why we are using water in our day-to-day life? So we use water in our day-to-day life to cook food, wash utensils, clean different things, water the plants, flush the toilet, etc. And also we use water for recreation like swimming and sailing. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Next question we have fourth number, that for what different purpose do industrial unit use water? So almost all industrial units use water for what? Either in the production or disposal of by products. Okay, either in the production or disposal of by products. Fifth number question we have, how do we get chocolates? આપણને ચોકલેટ્સ કેવી રીતે મળે છે? How do we get chocolates? તો chocolates are made from cocoa which grows on cocoa trees. Remember, chocolates are made from cocoa and which grows on cocoa trees. Next question, list the four things that depends on electricity. So you can write any four. For example, I have written that refrigerator which depends on electricity, air conditioner, washing machine, oven, microwave oven, fan, etc. Light. These things are depend on electricity. Okay. Next question we have, that when can we see things? When can we see things? So we can see things only when the light falling on them and reflect enters to our eyes, then we can see things. Light પડે અને આપણી આંખોમાં રિફ્લેક્શન પડે ત્યારે આપણે એ વસ્તુને જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. What is that we see? એવું શું છે કે આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ? તો કે everything we see is, આપણે જે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ actually છે શું? So what is that we see? So everything we see is really just bouncing photons showing us the shape of the things they hit. Next question is, what is judo? Judo is a gentle form of martial art of Japanese origin. Remember this. Judo is a gentle form of martial art origin from Japan, or we can say Japanese. Next question we have, that what is the outstanding feature of the judo? Outstanding feature of the judo is competitive element is the most prominent feature of judo. Next is, what makes the writer sick and all frightened? Though the thought of the sea snake underwater makes the writer sick and all frightened. Next is, how is water an important component in power production? River water is used to produce hydroelectricity by building dams and through thermal power plants. So, how water is important component? Because the river water is used for producing hydroelectricity and for the through thermal power plants, building dams and all. Okay. Next is, industrial belts have developed along a river bank. Industrial belts. Okay, it is a spelling. Typing belts. It is industrial belts have developed along river banks. Why? Industrial belts have developed along river banks because they need water in the production or for the disposal of byproduct. Industries કેમ use કરે છે water? या तो એમનું પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવવા માટે, या તો એ પ્રોડક્ટને બહાર કાઢવા માટે, વેસ્ટ મટીરિયલને નીકાળવા માટે. Next question we have, when did Sachin hit his first century? When did Sachin hit his first century? So Sachin hit his first century at the age of 12 when he was in the school. જ્યારે સ્કૂલમાં હતા ત્યારે એમણે પહેલી સેન્ચુરી મારી હતી સ્કૂલ માટે. રાઈટ. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, વોટ વોઝ સચિન્સ ફાધર? સચિનના ફાધર શું હતા? સચિન્સ ફાધર વોઝ અ યુનિવર્સિટી પ્રોફેસર. સચિન્સ ફાધર વોઝ અ યુનિવર્સિટી પ્રોફેસર. So these are some questions we have discussed here about the 1 mark question. I hope you understand these questions. Now we have another question, that is question number 3a. It is about the poem comprehension. Read the following poem and answer the following question. જેવી રીતે આપણે પેસેજ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન જોયું ફર્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં, એવી રીતે પોએમ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન કે પોએમને વાંચી અને એમાંથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર લખવાના છે. Now we have here the poem comprehension. Two stanzas I have written, two poems we have, one poem and two stanzas different we have written as a question answer. So let's discuss. Dreams, 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 dreams of people, dreams of trees, dreams of lands and dreams of seas. Dreams to grow big, dreams to grow rich, dreams to prosper and dreams to dreams of peace. So questions answer here I have written that dreams to grow big. Explain this line. A line માં શું કહેવા માંગે છે? Dreams to grow big. So the answer is dreams to grow big means every human being on the earth to grow big and rich and bring about peace in his life. Second question we have, what do these stanzas say about? આ બે સ્ટાન્જામાં એવું તો શું કહે છે? So these stanzas say about different kinds of dreams that we have. Okay. Next question, which different dreams are mentioned in these stanzas? કયા કયા dream mention કર્યા છે? So there are dreams of people, dreams of trees, dreams of seas, lands, and we also have dreams. Okay. Next question, why are all the letters of a few words in these stanzas capitalized? So the words big, rich and peace are capitalized to give them special importance. Every human being on the earth dreams to grow big and rich and bring about peace in his life, society and nation on a large scale. Okay. So this is about the first stanza's question answer. And now we have second stanza's question answer, that dreams of the country and its growth, dreams of love and dreams of hope. Dreams, 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 dreams that all the dreams come true. Now next questions we have, that dreams of the country and its growth. Explain this line. આ લાઈનમાં શું કહેવા માંગે છે poet? કે dreams of the country and its growth. So here in this line the poet says that dreams of the country and its growth, that means it grows to be rich and bring about peace, and it talks that it grow to well in the relation with the other country with peace. Okay. Next question, what dreams are mentioned in these stanzas? So you can write that these are the dreams are mentioned in these stanzas, that dreams of the country and its growth, dreams of love, dreams of hope. Okay. These are the dreams mentioned in these stanzas. Now next question, that dreams of hope. Explain this line. Dreams of hope. So hope is like the vase that contains our sweet smelling colorful dreams. These dreams, like flowers, change over the seasons of life. No matter how desperate the situation, there is always room for hope and dreams. Next question we have, that what do we hope about our dreams? આપણા ડ્રીમ માટે આપણે શું વિચારતા હોઈએ છીએ? We hope that all our dreams comes true. આપણે વિચારતા હોય કે આપણા બધા સપના સાચા થઈ જાય. We hope that our all dreams comes true. Okay. So this is about the question number 4 and question number 3a, that is the poem comprehension. I hope you understand these all questions which we have discussed here. We have already completed in our first video question number 3rd B, 4th A, 4th B, 5th A and 5th B. So today we have completed the question number 1, question number 2AB and question number 3rd A. I hope you understand these all questions very well. Thank you.